Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Jeffersonville, local and long distance movers near me. Once we estimate the distance to your new home or office to over 50 miles, we classify it as a long distance move. Our moving trucks can travel long distances without breaking down along the way. This helps us to deliver quality services at the best time possible. Also, our drivers commit themselves to ensure that none of our clients' properties go missing or damaged during the moving process. We guarantee our movers are well trained before we assign them to the clients. We conduct a hassle-free and successful relocation while keeping your budget in mind. We do this to prevent our clients from breaking the bank. Jeffersonville residents who have patronized us before can confirm 3 Movers' expertise in handling this type of relocation. We have a solid reputation as a competent local relocation service provider in Jeffersonville and surrounding cities. We also have several clients, most of whom are locals. These clients are ready to give you great feedback about our services. We know the shortest and safest roads in the city to help move you across town as swiftly as possible. Our relocation service rates are also why we're the best pick. We offer excellent services at $30 to $40 an hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Jeffersonville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.